Hello YouTube, it's VPod 100.
So,
I'm walking here with my sister. We're gonna go to Albertsons. And on the way here,
we saw a car crash!
yeah, we saw a car crash and we're walking up on it right now.
Car crash!
So, looks pretty bad. Looks like a fucking semi just rammed a poor sedan.
What's a sedan?
It's a type of car.
I don't know my car, so shut up.
Oh my god, that looks bad. Oh. Thank God I'm not in the car. Thank God I'm not in the truck either. Shut up.
You shut up. Don't know this.
So? Oh, for the record, I hate cops. Oh shit, I hope none of them heard me. I hope none of them heard me. I don't want to get arrested.
He thinks you're fat, so you eat too much donuts. Donuts! They said it. He did. He hates you. He thinks you're fat.
There's a blanket over the car. Why?
Aw, sad. Stop it. Stop it!
No.
You didn't know that.
I know.